If you're watching this, you're probably having problems with your computer. Don't despair. You don't have to carry it to a repair shop. You don't even have to leave your house or office. You don't have to worry about being charged a fee you weren't expecting. And you don't have to worry about dealing with an inexperienced person. Simply call PC Fix Swansea for a free consultation. Talk to Steve, and if you're in the Swansea area, Steve will come to you. Call 01792 537 606 or 07866 427 417 today, and don't despair.